How to debug flashlight interaction. This video primarily teaches us how to debug flashlight interaction. Step 1. Hardware components: computer, keyboard, mouse, projector, camera, flashlight, dongle, etc. Step 2. Installing interactive software. Locate the installation package and click to install. After installation, you will have 3 system drivers. If they are already installed, please close them. If not, proceed with the installation. Step 3. Mode switching and calibration. After opening, click on Settings. Select the Sampan mode. The software will automatically exit and reopen the software. Click on Settings. Adjust the gain value to 79 before calibration. Next, adjust the camera to ensure the illumination area fully covers the display. Once set, select Calibration. Click the calibration button as follows. Follow the prompts of the blue circle for calibration. Place the flashlight with the light on at the first calibration point. Use the mouse to place the red crosshair on the bright spot to complete calibration for 1 point. Calibrate the other 3 points sequentially. Once calibration is complete, the calibration interface will close automatically. After calibration, set the gain value to 0. Turn on the flashlight for testing. Step 4. Adding games to the interactive system. Select Play Plan. Add KLUDP to your title .exe software to the playlist. Check Autoplay Recycle to enable automatic looping of the software after startup. Step 5. Setting up Auto Start for the interactive system. Click Auto Run, then OK. Step 6. Closing the program and saving settings. Right-click the tray icon to bring up a pop-up menu, where you can exit. Step 7. Game demonstration. Set the flashlight to the middle position and interact by pressing the red button. The interaction is very responsive. Step 8. Detailed use of the flashlight. Using the third mode continuously drains battery and is not recommended for extended use. It is recommended to use the middle mode and then press the red button for interaction. Twist open the bottom knob. The flashlight requires 3 number 1 batteries. When installing the batteries, make sure they are inserted correctly with the positive and inward. The flashlight has 3 modes on the switch off, momentary, and steady. Step 9. How to replace software materials. Open the flashlight video of 1.0 flashlight video of 1.0's English photo folder. Locate the video. MP4 file and replace it with a file of the same name and format.